What is going on, guys? It is Dylan here. Today I will be going over a ticker symbol analysis on the ticker symbol NIO, NIO Incorporations. Before we get into the technical analysis and the price action, the psychology, where I think the stock price might go, and much more, I just want to let you know that I am bullish on the company. So with that being said, let's hop right into it. So these are the resistances to keep a watch on: the 41.67, the 43.52, and the 45.20. Right, the supports, you're looking at the 34.57 and as well the 37.67. So with all those being marked up, I'm going to delete them just so we can get a better view of the price action. So see a downwards support, right? A support right here, which I just had marked up, but this actually contributes to the pattern that we are playing out right now, which is a descending wedge, right? Very, 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 very clean. You see a downward support that's being pressed into with lower lows and lower highs by a resistance. And generally this is a bearish pattern in theory, whatever you want to say, but if you do get a break above this resistance, then you could normally see a very nice push accordingly. Some people set a price target of this, and they'll say that the price target is $49. I don't like to do that. I like to cut it a little bit short just so I'm not caught chasing, which those do come out very accurate a lot of the times, but I'd rather know, I like my style a little better. So I'd say 45, maybe 44. Keep an eye on that. You probably will see some big resistance, definitely around that 41, which you might see a little bit of a roadblock, and then then you'll get past that, and I think 44 will start to be some big resistance. So with that being said, let's zoom in on a better time frame on the 1 hourly. So on the 1 hourly, we do have the same pattern, which I just want to draw up, see what it looks like on this. Very nice. Very, very nice. You see that descending resistance into the support. I like how that looks. It looks like from here we're flagging out. So keep a watch on that. Right? A flag is a upwards buying like frenzy right here, like a flagpole. And then you see a little bit of a consolidation downwards like manner. If we go to the 5-minute, just to get a better point of view of this flag, you do see it is flagging out. It's not the cleanest flag I've ever seen, I'm not going to lie, but it is very nice nonetheless. It's not the cleanest, but it's very nice. I kind of contradicted myself right there, but I think it'll have a nice effect, especially since we broke out of a big pattern. Generally, that's a nice sign when it flags out, and then if it breaks to the upside, normally that's a nice continuation, bullish continuation. So I like how that looks. This downward support is going to be huge. If we do break below this, we might break down to potentially $38.50 or even the $38 before we might bounce, and we might bounce a little lower. But yeah, so let's go to the daily again. So the daily, we did see some pretty nice volume today. Nothing out of the normal, but pretty nice. Kind of fits the norm. I like that it's green. We are in a golden cross on the daily. We've been in a golden cross for about a week now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, about maybe 2 weeks, 9 days or so. We did get a nice bullish engulfing on the daily, so you see this candle completely engulfs these prior candles, which are pretty strong, right? That is very strong, and you do see a nice double bottom. So the buyer stepped in right here, bottomed out once, came right back up, and then it bottomed out twice. So the neckline of this double bottom would be, this one's actually a little harder to say, so I'm going to go to the 4 hourly just so I can judge it better. Yeah, right there. Right about yay there. So the neckline will be at the 41.58. If we do get past that, probably we'll see another nice continuation to maybe the 43. I do like how that looks in the 4 hourly. A very clean double bottom. Very clean double bottom. Maybe we come down and we get rejected by this 200-day MA, and then we bottom out again. Maybe. I don't think it's very likely since we broke that bullish pattern. That's just my opinion, though. I could definitely be wrong, but more often than not, I'm not. So keep an eye on this pattern. See what we do after this. The RSI is overbought on the 1 hourly, which is one of my favorite time frames. So it is overbought. So it is seeing a little bit of a coolback accordingly to the momentum, as you do see in the past. Whenever we hit these ranges, we cool down. hopefully we don't cool down this hard. As this was a false break actually on this pattern, which I actually did bite the bait on that one. Definitely not one of my best trades, definitely the worst trade of the month. I bit the head fake right here, I think, right? And then I wrote it up, and then it just turned super bearish right away, and I stopped out, luckily, but you know, I was very disappointed. It looked like a nice breakout, but I think now it's very safe to say we got a very clean breakout, and I am excited to see what we do from this range, as the Chinese stock markets are booming too, right? So I'm pretty pumped to see what's going to happen to this one today. I do think it is continue to run. If it does break down from the flag, it might pull back a little bit until it continues to march up. But that's my thoughts on this stock. I do think it's bullish. If you're a short seller, I would be very, very cautious. So take it easy, guys. I'm out. Peace.